In 2011, Rayleigh revolutionised the installation of energy meters with its patented easywire current transformer and metering technology. Now we're shaking up the metering industry yet again with easywire Modular, offering our customers a completely new level of cost saving, functionality and connectivity. The days of having to individually install and read large numbers of meters in person, one at a time, are no more. So, what is easywire Modular? Easywire Modular is an expandable system for use on small or large projects to monitor almost any input, including pulse, Modbus, M-Bus, analog or digital signals. It can display information from up to 128 three-phase systems on a local metering display unit, or MDU, which can then be remotely accessed via cloud-based Rayleigh Connect software for truly global viewing and control. So, let's take a look at the details. The heart of the system is the brand new RI D480 multifunction quad meter, which monitors up to 4 three-phase or 12 single-phase inputs, all within a 4-module housing. This means you only need to install 1 meter instead of the previous 4, thus reducing panel space by 75%, along with the associated labor costs. This is made possible by using the easywire technology. Each quad has 4 RJ45 inputs from either 3-phase current transformers, standard 5-amp current transformers, or Rogowski coils via an adapter. Want to expand the system? Just daisy chain up to 32 quads together with plug-in easy wiring. It's fast, simple, and no screwdrivers are required. That makes up to 128 three-phase inputs, or 384 single-phase inputs, or a combination of both. As well as daisy chaining power, you can also daisy chain Modbus communications. Connect the RJ12 easywire plug on the final quad to our communication gateway and then into our MDU for local access and operation. The MDU is another key element of easywire Modular. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows input loads to be labelled for easy identification, and an index makes them simple to find. You can search by date, name or value and get a snapshot of your system over a given time period. Having a single MDU display also means no more cutting multiple holes in panel doors, substantially reducing installation time. The display is powered by a low-voltage supply and measured inputs are via RS485 communication bus, so no high voltages are present on the door, ensuring safety. The basic setup here is for monitoring meters, but easywire Modular can do so much more. You can program the MDU for preventative maintenance, monitoring bus bar temperatures, compartment temperature, breaker trip status, water ingress or fire detection. You can also program certain actions such as tripping breakers, activating fans or starting gensets. It can even interface with most smart breakers currently on the market. In fact, almost anything across all manner of electrical systems. As well as traditional cabled connections, the latest GSM, wireless Modbus and cloud-based technology can vastly increase the scope of easywire Modular. Wireless Modbus transmitters and receivers operate up to 10 kilometers and can bring yet more inputs to the central MDU from widespread locations. Beyond the local, the established Rayleigh Connect cloud-based network expands the easywire Modular system even further. This means information at your fingertips on PCs, tablets and mobile phones, as well as on site. In fact, anywhere you have internet access. So, for example, if a breaker trips at a remote installation, your key employee is immediately notified by email or text. The Rayleigh Connect app acts as a mobile MDU, but with extra functionality. allowing the user to remedy the problem quickly and efficiently, with an automated fix or by calling in a service engineer. Once reset, the system sends an all clear. It's easy to configure the Rayleigh Connect system to your unique requirements, so your team can always access and act on crucial data. easywire Modular streamlines all the data you need from your electrical systems. Combined with Rayleigh Connect, you've got complete control from anywhere in the world. The easywire Modular system. Space saving, cost saving, simple to install, simple to expand, flexible yet economical. A revolution in connectivity. Contact us now to find out more.